Welcome, welcome, welcome. Begin by placing your feet solidly on the floor, feeling kidney 1 coming up, tilting the pelvis forward and feeling the energy coming up the spine and out of the top of the head. And begin by bringing your chin in towards your chest and out. In, roll it down and out, making sure that you never look up to the sky or the ceiling. You keep your eyes horizontal. So this is turtle, leading with your chin, really opening up the vertebrae. And then crane, leading with your chin out, round to the chest and back in. Lead with the chin out, round and back in. Really feeling all the vertebrae in the neck opening up. Now for the full posture. Stand, curl the back down, turtle. Leading with the chin, scooping it down, chin to the chest, scooping out, around we come, out of the turtle shell, scooping. Out we lead with the chin and back up. And crane, lead the other way, out with the chin first, and sweep it in and curl it up towards the vertebrae. And from the side, see how the spine opens every vertebrae as the turtle comes out of the shell. And the crane rolling up, finishing with the shoulders. Rolling out with the chin and up the midline of the body. Standing, feeling kidney 1 on the floor, into the earth, gather the chi around you, drawing it down the midline of the body and into the dantian. Again, drawing the chi of the earth, feel how expanded you are, and drawing it down, gathering it in the powerhouse of the dantian. One more time, chi surrounds you and fills you now, completely expanded as you gather and store everything in the dantian just below your belly button. May the chi be with you and may you have a wonderful chi-filled day.